Thank you. The babies are not for sex. T-shirts are out in the lobby. Please and thank you. Purchase one before you go home because all the proceeds are going to little kids. Now, this whole extravaganza I planned for you is all about my spiritual practices that got me through all the zombie penises and gooey ducks in life. But some people hate talking about spirit, God, Allah, Yahweh, whatever you want to call it, as much as they hate musicals. That's why I told you. It's just a story. It's just a story. Okay.
Sorry, not sorry. This is our party. Get on board with it or sink like Noah and the Ark. We all know boats float,
Except for the Titanic.
but the goats do more in mountain, water, tree. And we thrive, babe, we fly high, babe. It's like greatness made to fit. You know like you want this. If life could kill me, I'd be back already. They say abundance, keep on flowing steady. There ain't no way to avoid life's ocean. It's not the wave, it's just game, set, match, all aces. 1, 2, 3. Goat's such a small word when you read the OED. I stayed away from the herds and stayed focused on me. This ain't no produce trickery. This is hard-won talent. Hashtag time was up for gooey ducks in my garden. No makeup, no soft focus, no TikTok app, pick fix. This was in God we trust. Starting with the woman in the mirror, all aces. Cause it's in us all, through us all, that's the law.
Like Moses on the mountaintop. Oh, thank you. Thank you.